Blyton experience actually starts with the calling of Malabar whistling thrush. So you are woken up by the sweet sound of the whistling thrush. We always tell people because they always get freaked out thinking it's a man whistling. So it's the beautiful sound of Malabar whistling thrush. Soon after that, we try to take them on a walk where they can see birds, and they come back, they have their breakfast. Then we try to take them on another walk if they choose to soon after the breakfast, or then we do the second walk during the evening. So the evenings usually end with a barbecue and bonfire, and always according to what the weather allows. So during the events, all the rooms are occupied usually, and so when the guests arrive, all of them are from different places. They come and meet here. There's a lot of networking that happens along with the backdrop of this beautiful forest. And they also enjoy the local food that is cooked with a lot of love. So events are generally a lot of fun for us and all the participants as well. And there are also activities that are related to coffee, since it's a coffee plantation. So around the harvesting time, you can have a very good experience of how the coffee is harvested, and also you will get a very good experience of the brewing experience, coffee brewing experience, and the coffee is from our own plantations. So these are some of the activities, and there are a number of trails here within our estate, which ranges from waterfalls to streams to grasslands, and it can be a small to a long walk that you can take. So we came here last year to set up all of this, how to run a place like this in the rainforest with such heavy rains, and how to maintain the place which is built in such an eco-friendly way. Take care of all the activities in the most sustainable and eco-friendly way. So since we are going to host a lot of people here, we are going to bring a lot of people from the cities to the rainforests. So it's our responsibility to keep it so sustainable that it's very close to the lives of the local people here, at the same time making their stay very comfortable. This here is our common area, which is accessible to all the guests, and this is where they can relax during the day and the evening. We have our dining area on your right. This here is the center courtyard. It's called Mund, and it's a highlight in the Kodava architecture. The houses are called Ainmanes, and this particularly looks very good during the rains. It's an experience to sit around it and relax during the rains. We have 4 double occupancy rooms which can have 2 people, and we sometimes also provide an extra bed for a child that accompanies the family. Let me show you one of the double occupancy rooms. This one here is set up for a family of 2 plus a child, and as you can see, the room has all the windows that look to the rainforest. So let me show you the other 2 family suites that we have. It's on the first floor. So as you might have seen, the building is constructed with laterite blocks, and it's a local building material that is used around this region because of the rains and the weather conditions. It's the most sustainable option to use here, and the tiles, the roof tiles are mangrove tiles, the red roof tiles. That is also commonly used material around this region because of the rains, so that the rain does not stay on the roof. This is one of the family suites. Apart from the 4 double occupancy rooms we have 2 family suites which can have up to 4 people in it. And this is the one that's a favorite of the kids because they get the mezzanine floor for themselves. Meet Ravyana, our chief cook.
Hi Ravyana.
He's very good at foraging wild vegetables and other items, and he is always happy to cook a meal with the foraged items to the guests. And they usually love the food that he cooks, which has a very strong local flavor. And meet Suman. She is our caretaker. Bridge Mohan and Suman, both of them are our caretakers of the Blyton Bungalow. They are the ones who make things happen here.